Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add Hindi text to your videos in Capcut. It's a very simple process and we're going to show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for hindifonts.com. Go to hindifonts.com. If you scroll down, here you can see Kruti Dev 010 regular download. So this is the Hindi font, so you can download it on your device. Select download font. Now the file is downloaded, open the file. You need to extract this file. So here you can see the extract option, tap on it. Now head over to Capcut app, tap on new project. Now add a video where you want to add the Hindi text. Here you can see the text option at the bottom, tap on it. Select add text, you can text anything. In the font space, here you can see the option add font, tap on it. Select the plus button. Now you need to upload your file, so select this. Go to download. We just downloaded this Kruti Dev font, so select this. And now it is added to your Capcut app. Select this font. This is still not working, so what we gotta do is go to the Play Store. Tap on the search bar and search for Kruti to Unicode. So here you can see Kruti Dev to Unicode Converter. Select this. Install it on your phone. Once the app is downloaded, tap on the open button. Now here you can see the two sections. In the Unicode section, you need to type in Hindi. So you need to have a Hindi keyboard for that. And it will generate a code in the section above. So you can copy that. Now head over to Capcut. Now paste the code over here. Select tick mark. And now you have written Hindi text in the Capcut. So it's quite a lengthy process, but you can do it in this way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.